Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to find USDT BEP20 wallet address on Mexc account. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Mexc exchange account. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, you need to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here, you need to select deposit option, and from here you need to simply select on-chain deposit. Now in this search bar, you need to search for USDT and select USDT Tether. And from here you need to choose a network, BNB Smart Chain, which is equal to BEP20. So simply select BEP20 network, and always make sure to select this network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. So simply select BNB Smart Chain BEP20, and here you can see your USDT BEP20 wallet address on Mexc. Simply tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDT BEP20 wallet address on Mexc exchange.
If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.